What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, you heard it. Somebody's getting a trophy. I'm not going to tell you until he comes out. But, holy crap, Todd Falcone was off the hook. Totally freaking awesome. I guess he's right here in the crowd. Should we do a paparazzi run during? Give me a big hug right here. Yeah, guys, Todd Falcone was just off the hook. Dropped it out just like I thought he would. All the same stuff that we've been training with the last few weeks or a month or so. And everybody in there was just going freaking crazy because now they're going to want his training. Look at that. There's the Emperor's truck. Everybody keeps getting photo bombs. So just here in a minute, we're going to have somebody, I got some intel, can't tell you who it is, but somebody's going to be getting a trophy. And, hey, oh, look who this is. Nate, say hello to Facebook.
Hey, everybody.
Look at that happy man. The biggest smile I've ever seen in my life. Let's tag you. Just a minute, we're going to have a freaking surprise visit with Jeremy. Say hello, Jeremy.
How you doing?
Don't know how much longer, but it is getting crazy out here. I know a lot of people went down that big hall, but oh, there's Carlos Martinez. Let's do a photo bomb on him. Yeah. Paparazzi. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. He turns around and oh, I see a whole bunch of famous Pimpers people on the side. They're doing a big photo bomb. Steady, nice and steady here. Oh shit! There he is. Jeremy's gonna go and say thank you. He's getting something. Happy people. I've never seen so many happy people in my life. Just happy. Oh. There's the power team, you guys. Yeah. Oh, we got a drone flying around. Everybody's going crazy on the drone. There's Christopher. doing some drone filming, I guess. So they're doing some drone filming. Uh-oh. Freaking cool, dude. Alright. Oh man. Got Parker up there on the truck.
That was an expensive fucker.
Oh yeah, it's a nice little one, dude. Oh really? Ooh, yeah. Where? Oh yeah. There she is. Just awesome, you guys. I'm sure just in a moment we're gonna find out who gets the trophy. During right here. Carlos Martinez. Looks like everybody's out of here. This video should be live in many places. Alright, let's squeeze in here, shall we? So you guys can see this one more time. Before I shut it down. Whew, nice and warm out there. That was awesome. Let me find these guys. You can see how awesome this is. I'm going to show you some of these new products live here in the box. In the box. Boom. Here's the new fruit gummies. CBD infused, no THC. They've got lemon, orange, and grape. Hard to see there. That's the gummies. Look at this place, you guys. Ooh, there's Hemp Cowboy. What do you know? Hemp Cowboy in the house, walking through. Boom, boom. You guys famous now. I mean, always been famous. Alright, so here's the new hair product line. Oh, you're fine, bud. And, yep, you heard it, you guys. We've got new hemp infused shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. And there's that one called the liquid gold. Yeah, the liquid gold. Oh my gosh, she was saying your hair just turns to heaven. So none of this has CBD, so it's able to transport all across the international, so all across the world. It's just totally awesome, you guys. It's like more of them here. Shampoo, conditioner. Oh, you're fine. So let's go over here, you guys. We gotta show you the rest of these. Gotta show you, gotta show you. So
Yeah, I'm gonna sit
this
down.
is the new bottles for the Relief and the Renew. I've got a bigger tub now, and the small one still. And by the way, all the bottles have the new Q&R label on them, so they're able to be in stores. A lot of the stores in Utah are calling for the Q&R label, so it's got to be on there to even end up in the stores. So here's the new bottles, and take a look at the top there, you guys. Yep, you see it. The new level of CBD level. So there, 1,500, you guys. Isn't that crazy? Twice as strong as their 750. And I'm thinking that would be great for like horses and people with cancer, people with some really bad conditions. We're gonna want that 1,500. The new bottles are gonna have the QR label, and they will still have the FDA tag. So there it is. New Q&R label right there. And the hemp authority tag there, and the FDA tag. So we're the only ones that have these guys third-party tested, and everybody's just going crazy for these new products because they're calling them billion-dollar products, just like the original. I'll tell you. And here is the last one. Oh, he's getting the glass all nice and clean. I think everybody's like kissing him and hugging him.
Like I'm video bombing you, man.
No, you're fine, dude. I'm just live right now. Just a few people
Sweet,
watching.
sweet.
So here's the new Scentsy line, you guys. Mantera. Just simply amazing. I think they were saying $150 for a box, which is way lower than the regular price for the ones that are smaller out there. They're usually $250 or $220 to $300. That's what they're saying. So this is a bigger bottles for less price, and I think the BV was 90 or something like that. Just totally awesome. So freaking stoked. I have a new shipping box for everybody, so when you open your box, it's gonna blow your mind. But that's about it for now, you guys. They've been busting out all these different products every day, so I'm just totally psyched. Totally pumped. I need to find my team here, see where they went. Looks like they might have tried it off somewhere, but maybe not. You gotta get this trophy. Let's go see what they're doing out here. Let's go. Let's go. I just seen Jeremy somewhere. Oh, there it is. Jeremy, what's up? What did you get? Somebody was just calling me. Oh, really? Fortune.
I don't have Hunter's number.
Oh, okay. Maybe that was Hunter's number. Or maybe that was Hunter that was calling me. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll be live again soon. And, of course, don't forget to pop over to Jedediah's Empire CBD for better health. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you soon.